please check that your video settings are correct in the lower right-hand corner of your video screen. On your list of tabs, which is your navigation bar, you will find the Libraries tab. Inside this tab are the 6 libraries. Let's take a look at the Custom Scroll library. The Custom Scroll library keeps track of your frame data for your custom scroll strings, for your fixture types that use them. For example, color ramps, forerunners, or etc revolutions all use custom scroll strings. Adding frame data to this library will allow you to print the frame data from the Paperworks tab. It's also useful to have if you're trying to troubleshoot a scroll string you think has incorrect gel frames. If you do not add frame data to this library, the only thing it will affect is printing the frame data from the Paperworks tab. It does not affect anything else in the DMX chart or how the DMX chart functions. The DMX chart comes with a custom scroll string already defined for you, so you can use it as an example. It's the Revolution Standard. And as you can see, it lists the frame number and the gel color name. On the Custom Scroll Libraries tab is a Refresh button, which does just that, refreshes the library. Every time you add new custom scroll strings on the Input tab, in the DMX Controlled Fixture Types data box, and from the Custom Scroll String drop-down menu, and as an example, we'll add a custom scroll string A to the drop-down menu on the Input tab. The DMX chart will also list that custom scroll string here in the Custom Scroll String library. This list is not editable. If you wanted to delete a custom scroll string from this list, you would have to delete it from the Input tab in the DMX Controlled Fixture Types data box. Then delete it from the Custom Scroll String drop-down menu by right mouse clicking on the name and selecting the Delete button. So we've just deleted the Revolution Standard scroll string from the Input tab. And now looking at the Custom Scroll String library, then using the Refresh button, we see that it's gone. Let's look at scroll string A that we just added. We see that no frame data has been added for this custom scroll string. So grabbing your list of frame data that the LD has given you, we can now give that data to the DMX chart to remember forever. So for frame number 1, the gel name is Lee 200, and then click Add Frame to add it to the list. Frame 2 is Lee 201, and click Add Frame to add it to the list. And we'll go down the list until we have all frames entered for this custom scroll string. The custom scroll string library comes with edit functions on each line of data. Edit and delete. Let's edit frame 1 by clicking the Edit button. This will throw the line's data back into the Input box where you can make your changes. Then click the Update button to save your changes to the library. When you click on the Delete button, the DMX chart will ask you to confirm the action in a dialog box. Click OK to confirm, or click the Cancel button. The last feature in the Custom Scroll library is the Note section at the bottom of each custom scroll. Add whatever you would like to remember about the custom scroll and click the Save button to save it to the library.